Hey guys, this is me from Attack Everything, and today we're gonna be making a Bluetooth speaker by ourselves. You can do it at home. It's very easy, and this is my first DIY project video. So let's get into the things you'll need. You'll need a casing for the Bluetooth speaker. I've used a Milkmaid can. You can use anything you want. I'm making a cylindrical speaker, so I'm using this because it's very hard. As you can see, it doesn't bend easily, and I've cut two holes for two speakers. Then you need some wires. We don't need the jumpers, we just need normal wires because we need to solder them onto the PCBs. So I'm using some of these, but these are very old, so they got cracked. So I need to use some other wires. So let's keep this aside. Then we'll need some speakers. I've used the 8-ohm speakers. These are very good flat speakers. As you can see, these are very thin. And you can use any other speaker. If you're going for a bigger speaker, then you use those big thick speakers. It's totally fine. It's all your choice. And as you can see, it fits perfectly, so I choose the speaker. And then let's get in the next thing we'll need. This is the power boost for the battery, 3.7 volt battery. It gives out 1 ampere 5 volts. This is the audio amplifier circuit. Yeah, it's a stereo compatible one, so it's pretty good. You'll need this 3.7 volt battery. I'm using a 250 mAh version, so it's milliamp hours. You can see it. It's pretty neat. And this is the Bluetooth module. Actually, this is the one I got it from the USB Bluetooth board. So I just took it out of it, and then let's use it for this project. And this is a switch. It's a click switch, click to on off. You might need the desoldered braid, and then you might need the soldering iron. Okay, you're gonna need it. Of course you're gonna need it. And you're gonna need the soldering iron cable, and so you can plug this in. You need to have all the stuff. I have the switch if I accidentally break the other one, so if that's not there, I'll use this. So let's keep that aside. Then this is the can. I've made some holes in it. I'm gonna spray paint it with the black spray paint or the silver spray paint I have right with me. As you'll see the product which comes out at the end. It took me 5 hours to build this project, but after you watch this, it'll take only an hour. So yeah, let's start cutting the wires. So I've got these new wires because the old ones were really old and they weren't cutting well, so I got this new one. So I'm gonna cut these and make some wires out of this. And I might fast forward this process because it's a very long process, and I'll forward the soldering process as well. And you can see how I solder this thing. It's very easy. I won't show you the circuit exactly, but you can see in the net or anywhere else, it's very easy. So as you will see, I'll solder it now. So I've got this wires, and then I will just put the trash away. Guys, so I think now I'll fast forward everything, all the process, and if there's anything important, I'll surely tell you. You can ask me in the comment section down below how to do whatever if you have any doubts. So yeah, let's begin soldering the things. So I put everything inside of this case and then we're gonna hot glue it next. So I'm really sorry for the camera because it broke. The holder of the tripod for the camera broke, and then I had to compulsory not record the complete soldering process, but then I assembled everything, then I put it inside of this casing, and now we're gonna hot glue it. So now that everything is done, let me show you the amazing Bluetooth speaker Beast. But before I show it to you, I would like to tell you that the bass is low, but the volume and the clarity of the sound is amazing, and if you do it, it will be even better. So now I'll show the main one to you with the audio description and the audio itself. The audio won't be edited or increased with the volume. The audio was played at 33% volume on the iMac connected wirelessly to the Bluetooth speaker.
Wherever love goes, there is also misery. It's no mystery. And you and I, we got history. Yeah.
Hope you enjoyed my face DIY video. Thanks for watching. Peace.